Okay, this video is on solving, but inequalities. Instead of equalities, we're solving inequalities. Inequalities are just greater than or less than symbols in there, not just equal signs, but greater than, less than, or greater than equals symbol. So we have 4x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 30. So step 1, clear fractions. There are no fractions. Step 2, distribute. There is no distribution here. Combine like terms on each side. 4x minus 2 cannot be combined, and the 30 is by itself on the right-hand side. Get x's to one side. All the x's are to one side already. They're all on the left-hand side. Now we need to get x's by themselves. So step 5, add or subtract to get x by itself. Step 6, multiply or divide. So what's the 2 doing to the x? It's subtracting. What's the 4 doing to the x? It's multiplying. So step 5 says do the add and subtracts first. So it's a minus 2. The opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. I'm going to plus 2 to both sides. 2 minus 2 is 0. We're left with 4x is greater than or equal to 32. Finally, we have to get rid of the 4. Getting rid of the 4. It's a 4 times, so you have to do the opposite of multiply by 4. We're going to divide by 4. Divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. And 32 divided by 4 is 8. My answer is x is greater than or equal to 8. And that's as simple as that. Now, on the last step, step 6, it says multiply or divide. We divided by 4. But there's little stars here that say if, right here's the stars, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, your inequality changes direction. We did not multiply by a negative number, so our inequality is okay. It's staying in the same direction. Let's try the next problem. Step 1, clear fractions. There is no fractions. Step 2, distribute. So we're going to distribute. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times a negative 4x is a negative 20x. Then we have a greater than 49 minus 7x. Next, we want to combine like terms on each side. 10 minus 20x cannot combine. You can only add or subtract x's with x's and numbers with numbers. One's a number, the other one's a number and an x. And this is, sorry, I put 77, but that's 7x. So on the right-hand side, I have x's and numbers, and they cannot be combined. The next step, get x's to one side. I'm going to take my 7x to the left-hand side. It's a minus 7x, and when they say get x's to one side, you have to use add and subtract. So it's a minus 7x. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 7x. Add 7x to both sides. 7x minus 7x on that side is 0. I'm left with 49 on the right-hand side. 20x plus a negative 20 plus 7 is a negative 13x. And we still have a 10 sitting over here. Now I have a negative 13. This is multiplying with the x. And the 10, it's a plus 10, so I'm going to say it's kind of like adding with the x. So to get rid of the plus, if you look at the steps, you do the add and subtracts before the multiply and divide. Step 5 before step 6. Step 5 is do the add and subtracts first. It's a plus 10. You're going to minus 10, do the opposite to both sides. 10 minus 10 is 0. You're left with a negative 13x is greater than 49 minus 10 is a positive 39. So the last step, it's a negative 13 times x. We're going to divide by a negative 13. Divide by a negative 13. Divide by a negative 13. Negative divided by a negative is a positive 1x. And 39 divided by 13 is 3. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. Now, if you look here, we divided by a negative 13. Let's go back up and read our steps. Our steps say when you multiply or divide, the last step, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, your inequality changes direction. So I did divide by a negative number. My inequality is facing to the right, it's pointing to the right. So since I divided by a negative number, I have to change the direction of the inequality. So my answer is x is smaller. X is less than a negative 3. When you read this, you read the x first, x, then the next part of the inequality, the pointy part, is a small part. X is smaller than negative 3. And there's my answer. Just know that solving inequalities is exactly the same as solving for x, except if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to change the direction of the inequality. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.